Thank you for joining the third installment of Digital Crossfire 2014, the electronic version of the annual Realtors in the Crossfire program from your NHAR Legal Committee and Risk Management Subcommittee. Digital Crossfire is an interactive workshop designed to improve your risk management awareness for hot-button real estate issues, including this installment on the subject of multiple offers. Hundreds of New Hampshire realtors took our recent true-false quiz on the subject, and here are the results along with a brief discussion regarding the issue. Introducing Bill Weidacher and Matt Johnson.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Digital Crossfire series. This is our third installment of Digital Crossfire, and today we're talking about multiple offers and how they're handled. My name is Bill Weidacher, and I'm a past president of the New Hampshire Association of Realtors, and we have Matt Johnson, who is counsel for the New Hampshire Association of Realtors. So the first question before us today was a true or false question that the seller is required by law to maintain confidentiality for a buyer's offer. And that was a true or false question. How did we do there?
So we had 571 answered the question. True 16%, false 84%. The correct answer is false. The baseline standard is offers are not confidential. They can be made confidential, but to do so you need to edit the purchase and sale agreement and enter into an agreement that makes sure your offers are confidential. So if you're representing a party who wants confidentiality, make sure that you take steps to do that for them.
So traditionally there isn't any confidentiality.
Correct.
Matt, our second question before us today, true or false, is it the agent's duty to determine how to respond to multiple offers?
15% said true, false, 85% said false. The correct answer is false. It is not the agent's duty to figure out how to respond to multiple offers. The agent's duty is to provide advice, wisdom, and experience, but ultimately it's the seller that has to decide how that person wants to respond to the multiple offers to sell their house.
Matt, our third question today, true or false, is that the seller is not required to accept the highest priced offer. Is that true or false?
So the responses were 99% said true, 1% said false. The 99% have it in this case. That is, the seller is not required to accept the highest price offer. There could be other conditions attached to that highest price offer that the seller finds unpalatable, and there may be another offer that has less overall price but may have other terms that are more desirable to the seller.
Sure. Price is just one of the components in any offer, really.
Exactly.
Matt, our fourth question, true or false, the National Association of Realtors has published guidance on handling multiple offer situations.
And so the responses went as follows. True, 87%, false, 13%. The correct answer was true. The 87% have it. I'm glad to see that people are aware that the National Association has this information. It's in a pamphlet form, and it's very useful, practical advice on how to handle multiple offer situations. And now that is becoming more prevalent in the marketplace, I would encourage people to revisit that document.
It's very helpful. Our next question, Matt, true or false, in a multiple offer situation, you should wait until you have all the offers before presenting them. Is that true or false?
So the responses were true 16%, false 84%. The correct answer in this case is false. Remember, under license law and the Code of Ethics, you have a duty to present offers to the seller client in a timely fashion. So you really should not wait to collect all of the offers before presenting them to the seller.
Yeah, one of the offers may preclude you from waiting, too. It might have a deadline in it.
Absolutely. You see that sometimes in bank-owned or short sale situations, but for a typical owner situation, present those offers when you have them.
Wonderful. And our last question before us today, Matt, is also true or false. It is permissible for a buyer to make an offer that does not include a fixed purchase price. Is that permissible?
So the responses were true 63%, false 37%, more of a split in the audience. The answer in this case is true. You do not have to do a fixed purchase price offer. The purchase price can be set to some marker. It can be $5,000 over the highest offer, 5% more than the highest offer. It can all be done in different fashion. The only practice point there is make sure you have extreme clarity in how that offer is written so there's no ambiguity or confusion.
I think most of all the takeaway here today is that you really have to be involved with good dialogue with your clients, whether they're the buyer or the seller, with regard to multiple offers.
Thank you very much, and look forward and keep a lookout for your next quick quiz, which will be on off-site conditions.